Everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations. Damien, your host here, and today we're in the Audi All-Road that we bought so we could steal the 2.7 turbo engine in and turn it into a stage 3 for our race car. So now we're kind of stuck with this chassis, and I've been selling parts out of it. So I met a nice person named Keith, and he lives in Virginia, and I sold him a couple of pieces, and I'm not gonna get anything for these pieces. I'm not gonna nickel and dime somebody. So we came to a good deal on radiator core support for his 04. It's blue. It's nice. He really likes it a lot, and that excites me because I like to see other people excited about their car. So he's a stage 1, I think like 350 horsepower. He gave me some good numbers and told me some stuff. And he even turned me on to some aftermarket stuff for Audi that I didn't even know about. So thank you, Keith. And because you were such a nice guy and we passed information, you get the free holder. Now, hold on. We're going to show you how to get this holder out. So I'm taking this out for Keith, but you guys, my viewers, are taking this out for yourself to save you money, and maybe so you can have another cup holder, because you can have 2 if you take the other piece out, whatever it is, or if it's not used. So let's get right into it. We just get in the out of here. Now, mine is already busted down. I kind of got the car like this, but there is a piece of frame around this that you have to pop out first. So make sure you do that correctly. This is a video just to take this out. So you're gonna get 2 junky, whatever, brand new, who cares, flathead screwdrivers, and you're gonna stick one under this, and you're gonna stick one under this really well. And then you're going to grab this and wiggle it. And it's going to come out just like that. And then it's got this little yellow thingy here. And you just squeeze it to pull it out. Oh, I can't do it with one hand and one hand holding the camera. All right, so I'm going to squeeze this out real quick and show you what it looks like. All right, so here is the unit itself, and you can see where this slides in together like this. I just stuck the screwdriver in there just a little bit and gave it a little pull, and it popped right out. So this is the unit itself. And you can see it's just a mechanical unit. You just pull it in and out. And my other one had some kind of credit card front on it. I don't know what it is. It's broken in there. It might be a cup holder as well. I'm gonna fiddle around with it, but I think sometimes these come different things, because I saw one that was a cup holder over here, and one over here was like ESP button, some buttons. But this one said credit card or something. It was weird over here. I don't know where the front plate went, and the cup holder was over here. So there you go. That's how you pull the cup holder out, and there it is. All right, buddy, I hope you're satisfied getting it for free. Have a good day, bro. All right, now that when you fix all this, I want to see before and after pictures, you know?